Now we are going to start থার্মোডাইনামিক্স। আমরা শুরু করতে যাচ্ছি থার্মোডাইনামিক্স, তাপগতিবিদ্যা। এই তাপগতিবিদ্যায় যে টপিকস আমি আজকে এই ভিডিওতে যে টপিকসগুলো আমরা আলোচনা করব সেগুলো হচ্ছে সাম বেসিক টার্মস অফ থার্মোডাইনামিক্স, তার মধ্যে সিস্টেম সারাউন্ডিংস আছে, টাইপস অফ সিস্টেম, কত রকম সিস্টেম হতে পারে, বিভিন্ন রকম ক্লাসিফিকেশন আমরা চেষ্টা করব এগুলো কভার করার এই ভিডিওতে। তো শুরু করা যাক থার্মোডাইনামিক্স। লেটস স্টার্ট থার্মোডাইনামিক্স। তো the first thing you have to remember that thermodynamics deals with work and energy, মানে কার্য আর শক্তির সঙ্গে এই থার্মোডাইনামিক্স রিলেটেড, অর্থাৎ থার্মোডাইনামিক্স ওভারঅল related with works and energy. Now, so in short form, what you can say, thermodynamics deals with works. In short form, we can write as a W, and energy. So thermodynamics deals with works and energy. Now, before moving further, we have to know about some basic terms of thermodynamics. Now, thermodynamics এর কিছু বেসিক টার্মগুলো আমাদের একটু পরিচিত হয়ে যেতে হবে। Some basic terms. What are some basic terms we have to know? The first of all, we have to know, that means what is the meaning of system. System মানে কি? Actually, system is nothing but whatever the things we are going to observe. That means the thing we are going to observe, that means the experimental thing, যে জায়গাটা আমি পরীক্ষা নিরীক্ষা করছি এবং যাকে তুমি অবজার্ভ করছো, যেটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করছি আমরা, সেই জায়গাটাকে বা সেই অংশটাকে, দ্যাট পার্ট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ সিস্টেম. সো সিস্টেম ইজ দ্য পার্ট where the experiment is going on, where observation is going on. So the part, it is known as the part where experiment, or we can say observation, is going on. অ্যাজ ফর এক্সাম্পল, একটা এক্সাম্পল কী হিসাবে দিতে পারি, যেমন ধরো আজকে আমি এই খাতার ওপর লিখছি, এই পেনটা, এই লেখাটা, এই পেপারটা, উই আর অল অবজার্ভিং দিস পেপার, দিস থিংস, দিস বোর্ড, দিস বুকস, হোয়াট এভার ইট ইজ. That means this is overall, it is called system. That means we are observing this one. That means whatever the work done is done by these substances. So overall it is known as the system. তাহলে সিস্টেম হচ্ছে যার উপরে তুমি এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করছো এবং যার উপরে তুমি অবজারভেশন, যাকে তুমি অবজার্ভ করছো, সো দ্যাট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ সিস্টেম. সো নাও হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ সারাউন্ডিংস দেন? সারাউন্ডিংস বলতে আমি কী বুঝবো? হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ সারাউন্ডিংস? অ্যাকচুয়ালি সারাউন্ডিংস নাথিং বাট অ্যাপার্ট ফ্রম দ্য সিস্টেম, দ্যাট মিনস এক্সেপ্ট দ্য সিস্টেম, অল আদার part is known as surroundings. That means summation of system and surroundings is known as universe. Whatever the universe, that means all over the universe is there, মহাবিশ্বে যা কিছু আছে। কিন্তু এই সিস্টেম বাদে আমি যেটাকে অবজার্ভ করছি সেটাকে বাদ দিয়ে বাকি সব কিছুই কিন্তু হয়ে গেল কি? সারাউন্ডিংস. দ্যাট মিনস এক্সেপ্ট সিস্টেম, অল আদার পার্ট ইন দ্য ইউনিভার্স ইজ নোন অ্যাজ সারাউন্ডিংস. Again I am repeating that means apart from the system, all other parts present in the universe is known as surroundings. তার মানে সিস্টেম বাদে যে অংশগুলো আছে সেগুলোকে আমরা কি বলছি? সারাউন্ডিংস. নাও আমরা যে আলোচনা করব যে সিস্টেম আর সারাউন্ডিংসকে সেপারেট করছে কি? অবভিয়াসলি সবসময় যে ভিজিবল সেপারেশন থাকে তা নয়, সেই সেপারেশনটাকে বলা হয় বাউন্ডারি. সেই সেপারেশনটাকে বলা হয় বাউন্ডারি. দ্যাট মিনস হোয়াট ইজ দ্য মিনিং অফ বাউন্ডারি? বাউন্ডারি which can separate system and surroundings. That means system from surroundings, surroundings from system. That means what is the imaginary? It can be imaginary, it can be permanent, particular. That means boundary বলতে আমরা কী বুঝি? বাউন্ডারি বলতে কিছুই না, যখন সিস্টেম আর সারাউন্ডিংসকে আলাদা করছে যে বাউন্ডারি লাইন বা যে অংশ এই সিস্টেম আর সারাউন্ডিংসকে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করতে পারছে তাকে আমরা কি বলবো? বাউন্ডারি। দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য পার্ট separate system and surroundings. Okay, so this is the basic term, one of the some basic terms we have discussed about thermodynamics, system, surroundings and boundary. Now we have to discuss about type of system, some types of system. Let's start some types of system. Now the thing is that system classification, that means the classification of system can be classified by different aspect. First of all, we are discussing about, with respect what I have written, with respect to exchange of mass and energy, with respect to exchange of mass and energy. Now let's see what is the meaning of this. Now depending on this, actually system can be classified by three ways. One, that is open system. Another, that is closed system or closed system we can say. Another is isolated system. Now what is the meaning of open system, closed system and isolated system? Let's start with open system. Now what is the meaning of open system? Actually open system is nothing but the type of system which can exchange its mass as well as energy with the surroundings. Actually it's very simple way you can say, if we say it is the system, obviously the other part, whatever the other part is there, that is surroundings. This is the surroundings. So system and surroundings are there. Now if such system is there, it has some amount of mass. Each and every substance, visible substance, observing substance must have a mass. Obviously mass is there, that means some mass is there. That mass, if the system can exchange the mass, that means their mass can be transferred here to here or here to here, whatever. That means mass can be transferred. If such system is there, that means mass can be transferred, exchangeable. That means here it can be transferred here to here or here to here. That means system or surroundings jodi mass ke exchange korte pare, as well as the energy, whatever the energy is there. That means one of the energy, simple energy we are telling, that means heat is one of the energy. আমরা জানি নিশ্চয়ই তাপ এক প্রকার এনার্জি। তাহলে হিটও যদি এনার্জি, এই এনার্জিটাও যদি এক্সচেঞ্জ it can exchange the heat, that means energy. E for energy I am writing here. So if energy is exchangeable with the surroundings and the system, that means system and surroundings can exchange the energy with each other, that means that type of system is known as open system. That means again I am telling you what is the meaning of system. Open system, rather the open system is nothing but, that means a system which can exchange mass as well as what? Energy. Mass as well as energy. That means both are exchangeable with what? With surroundings. So open system is clear now. So which mass and as well as energy both are exchangeable with the surroundings. Now the thing is that one example I am telling you. Let we consider one glass of hot water. Say one glass of hot water you have taken. Now some amount of water you have taken, it is uncovered, that is it is open now. Now what will happen? Obviously we all know that whenever hot water is taken, for a long time it cannot be remains as a hot. That means after some time the temperature will be lowered down. Why it is lowered down? Obviously we all know that the temperature is lowered down due to exchange of energy, that means heat energy rather. Heat energy can be exchangeable with the surroundings. This is the system we are observing here. Obviously again I am telling you, we are observing here. So obviously this is the system one. So this is the system. So apart from this, all are the surroundings. So these are the surroundings apart from that. So what will happen here? Whenever hot water you have taken, after some time the hot water obviously converted as a cold water or normal water, you can say whatever. So it becomes a normal water. That means the temperature will be lowered down. How it is lowered down? Obviously heat is that means whatever the excess amount of heat is here, that means in the system, that excess heat is transferred to the surroundings. That means যে পরিমাণ তাপ এখানে বেশি ছিল সেই তাপটা কি হয়ে গেল সারাউন্ডিংয়ের মধ্যে এক্সচেঞ্জ করে দিল, মানে চলে গেল। তার ফলে কি হয়েছে, এটা কুল ডাউন হয়ে গেল, মানে টেম্পারেচার কমে গেল, মানে এনার্জি এক্সচেঞ্জেবল হয়ে গেল। Now another thing, so energy is exchangeable here. Now another thing, now mass. Now again you can say that means if for a long time it is kept open, what will happen after a long time, obviously, or after a few time, that means that whatever the liquid is here, whatever the water is here, obviously it will be vanished. That means the amount of water will be lowered down. Why it is lowered down? Obviously we all know that water is vaporized here. That means whatever the mass present here, that mass is transferring here to here, that means system to surrounding. That means mass is also exchangeable here. So mass as well as energy both are exchangeable here. So as for example, we can say open system is one of the example is hot water. That means hot water in a glass whenever it is kept open. It is one of the example. Now next move on to the next one, that is closed system. Now what is the meaning of closed system? Closed system, let's start from with the example, same example. Now the hot water we have taken, again the hot water you have taken, but it is now covered up. Now it is covered up. Now what will happen? Obviously it is covered up, well covered up. Now if it is covered up, what will happen? Again we can see, that means though it is covered up, we cannot say for a long time or enormous time, for a long time it remains hot. No, after some time obviously it becomes cool down. Obviously heat is exchangeable, obviously. So here energy is exchangeable. Energy is exchangeable, right? But if we can, because it is covered up, so obviously mass cannot be released out. So mass is not exchangeable. So closed system is nothing but whenever energy is exchangeable but mass is not exchangeable. I think it's clear now with example. Now isolated one. Isolated system. What is the meaning of isolated? Again same thing. Now just I am changing the scenario. What is the changing? Hot water, again hot water is taken, but in a thermoflux. In a thermoflux I have taken. It is a thermoflux. We all know that thermoflux আমরা জানি, thermoflux, in a hot thermoflux hot water is taken, oil covered it up, and we all know that why thermoflux is used, because due to remaining the temperature same. That means if hot water is taken, it remains hot, or if cold water is taken, it remains cold. That means energy is not exchangeable. That means energy as well as mass, energy and mass both cannot be exchanged with the surroundings. So I think it's clear. So it cannot be exchangeable with the surrounding. So it is known as isolated system.